earpiece is caught on here. Why do we got an earpiece? In case you're wondering, it came with a microphone, so it allows me to see if there's sound in there. So anyway, this is, I only got about an hour, so I figured kids are sleeping, wife went to bed. Got an hour, so I'll make some blah, blah, blah videos. Nah, just kidding. Anyway, if that's what you want to think of this. No, I made a, what do you call it? This is basically going to do the weekly what's new. What's new this week? Not much really. What do you call it? Making some videos. I'm going to be making an update of this thing that I completely screwed up. It was looking, I'll admit it was looking good. Could have filed a little more, took my time. No, I wanted to use a machine on it, so screwed that up. Also, got a few more. If you stay and watch, I have a few more videos coming up in the queue. I worked on bench painting. I worked on some other, there's a bunch of videos. And like I've said before, if you think this is all tool reviews, anytime I do work, I kick the tool out of I schedule all the videos, and every time I do work, if there's a tool review, I just kick it out and put it to the furthest possible slot, which is right now is about 30 days ahead. So if I bought a tool this week and I do a tool review, you're going to see it a month from now or more. So and anytime I do more videos, I just pop them all in, trying to fill in the gaps. Other than that, not much new. Got a little more. Kids are back in school. Be making some videos at night. I'll be working on the sanding, the bench, kitchen bench, getting the bolts all straight. The frame is, I believe it or not, I did a paint job on it. I'm impressed because I have never in my life did a paint job that good. My father always told me, take your time, do thin coats. Yeah, sometimes you're like going crazy. Well, I didn't go crazy. I took my time, waited until it dried a little, tacky, did a little bit at a time. I don't think I found one run mark. I wiped it down, acetone best I could. It actually came out good. The color is kind of a, I don't know, a dark gray, but hey, I don't care. It looks not bad. I'm impressed with, I took my time. So next time I know, do a light coat, wait a couple days, do another coat, and just keep waiting. Take my time. I don't have a paint booth. It's just, plus my boots are now a little bit of a light gray, silver spray. Other than that, not much else new. It's 2023. Apparently, as of this moment, I have, what is it? 953 subscribers. This might get popped up in a few days. So if you're one of my brand new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm ecstatic. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's kind of hard to get that many people, especially you got an odd channel like mine. I do a lot of talking. I do random work. I do tool reviews, and it's all over the place. I understand, but I like doing stuff, and it's kind of like my own little garage vlog. Maybe I should change the name to Utah's Garage Vlog. So I don't work on cars too much. So if you're into cars, there's an Austin Mini coming, and I got to do a brake job on the Yamaha 4-wheeler, so I'll record that, and I have to get this mule running again. So I don't have to. I can just leave it there forever if I want. And I found a junkyard in Tucson, Arizona that actually looks like there's a stack of mules in it. So I'm like, ooh, I always wanted to buy an old mule deck, cut it, make a bench out of it. So that'd be my one project. Other than that, what else is new in here? Got a few tool reviews. I got some more weird vice grips coming. I've learned of 2 or 3 more new ones. And I got a couple more vice grips coming, which is cool. Videos. I know everybody's like, vice grips. I have plenty of. There's also another video coming out of my Craftsman toolbox that I put under the bench, which actually looks pretty cool. I gotta straighten it out, and I gotta go to Harbor Freight and buy some drawer liners. I could spend like $50 on Snap-on Blue Point crap, but $13 is good enough. Cut it out, put it in there. That's good. Then I'm gonna fill the drawer. I'll give a small little tool drawer review. I figured I was hoping my bench should be a little cleaner, but the only thing different now is I don't have a little bucket of junk here. The bench is still a freaking mess, so that's it. So anyway, a shout out to all the people who subscribe. Thank you so much. I will keep pumping out short videos just because it's fun. People get to look at stuff. You get some odd reviews, some odd, people saying things, and it is what it is. Just fun entertainment until someone loses a video feed. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click all the buttons there. Do whatever you got to do, and thanks for watching. Oh, and definitely thank you for subscribing, everybody. It's totally awesome. I never thought I'd get past 10 subscribers, let alone 100, 200, now 954. So thanks again. Thanks a lot. It's totally awesome. Thanks.